Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about EVG RTX 3090 Ti Kingpin graphics card. So friend, this is based on RTX 3090 Ti graphics card, and friend, it comes with free Supernova 1600 PW power supply with 80 plus platinum 1600 watt rating. Interestingly, this is not a PCIe Generation 5 16p compatible power supply, so the card will require adapters. And friends, speaking of 16-pin power connector, this model is one of the few 3090 Ti cards on the market that has two such connectors. And friend, this means that a total of 6 8-pin cables are required. And friend, fortunately the bundled power supply has 9 PCIe connectors. And friend, the card is using hybrid all-in-one solution attached to 360 external radiator with 3 fans. And friend, this model also comes with integrated OLED monitoring panel which can display real-time information on voltage, temperature, clocks, but also colorful graphics. And it is a premium model equipped with custom 14-layer PCB voltage monitoring headers for extreme overclocking and 3 BIOS switch for normal, OC or LN2 settings. And friend, it offers PowerLink 52U adapter for the dual 16-pin to 6 8-pin power cables adapter that should help with cable management. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is available at $2500. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.